this isn't a car that I take to like Pismo Beach.
Yeah, of course.
Or somewhere far. This is, honestly, it's a good 30-minute workout. Go cruise it, have fun, beat the hell out of it. You know, if somebody wants to play, I'll play.
Gotcha. Man, I try to hold my $1,200 phone very tight. What up, everyone? What up? Carlos Los Wheels. Once in a while, I be working these car shows, and something special just turns the corner and catches my ear and eye. And this is one of those rides. Everyone, this is Nathan from Huntington Beach and his 69 Nova. My 69 Nova.
Again.
Boom. Boom.
Big block 427, had a dyno at West Tech, made 622, 530 torque, all the way up to 6,500 RPM. I had Brandon Greginger over at Old Anvil Speed Shop. He did my upper and lower radiator hoses. He also modified the headers. The headers were probably the biggest bitch about this car, trying to get them in. I was trying to get headers that I could slip in. It wasn't going to happen. So I actually had to pick the motor up, put them in. I had the car since I was 17, so I've had it now almost 11 years. Where I will never sell this car. I mean, this has got me, my dad, my grandpa, all my really good friends, even my wife in it.
I mean, you hear the word beast thrown a lot in cars, and this is one of those ones. Oh, that's your last name, right?
Yes.
All right. We're going to go for a ride now. Hold on, let me back up and get this baby started. Oh! Woo! Let's get in here. All right. Woo! Man. All right. Shall I buckle in?
I mean, again, flat belts won't help.
Man, you know, woo!
When I built this car, handling was not, other than going straight, was not in the portfolio.
No.
This is a wide turn car.
Oh, man. Oh, dog, hey, you didn't tell me. Hey, he didn't tell me he was going to do that. Oh, dude, my mouth is open. That was nice. And, like, that was only about, what, 40 miles?
Just a blip of the throttle.
It smells clean, sir.
Thank you.
It smells very clean.
And that's where the dyno comes in. Because again, you can get any car super close. Like you can be a really good carburetor tuner, good laptop tuner. If you have the right gauges, you don't need a dyno. But overall, the dyno just finds those little bits of improvements. And so that's why I'm able to I can beat on it. I can go cruise it. I can try and make it quieter, but where's the fun?
Look at, everyone's all looking at you. They're like, what's going on? Oh, dude! Yo! My oh, never mind. Yo. Dude, thank you for this. This is nice.
Thank you.
I love it. Very iconic now.
Thank you.
Just look.
White ball and makes the car.
Is that what it is?
Yeah, it's a white ball.
And then what are all these gauges for?
So again, gauges, I like gauges. Health-wise, gives me pressure, water temp, and oil temp. So I want to make sure, if I'm going for a long cruise, okay, am I overheating? Am I having trouble? Again, this, and especially right now, we should stay about below 180. Sometimes the oil pressure,
Oh,
That's on
man.
like the hot days, but again,
Yeah.
the oil's not breaking down until like 210, 230. Then you get these pull off.
And then Cubs back there.
Yeah.
No, he's back there.
He's giving me thumbs up.
Oh, yeah.
When I first got the car, I got to get used to the sound, used to when my shift points are. I got to practically do this with the car now. I think anybody could agree that once you know the car and you're in tune with it, there's nothing better than just a well dialed in machine. Everything here is just assisting me. If I just want to look down, okay, hey, we're good on oil pressure, water temp's looking good, oil temp's looking good. Okay, we're idling at about 600, 650. Just little things that I can just look down and not worry about. Takes it out of what's that sound, or something's funny or something feels weird. This eliminates problems. Obviously, this isn't a car that I take to like Pismo Beach.
Yeah, of course.
Or somewhere far. This is honestly, it's a good 30-minute workout. Go cruise it, have fun, beat the hell out of it. You know, if somebody wants to play, I'll play.
Gotcha. Man, it's how to hold my $1,200 phone very tight.
This car is a bit of that both realm of shit, I'm getting off the line fast, and then you hit that second gear hard, and it's just like, oh, and it's still going. There's not enough road for when I get into third.
Oh, yeah?
When I get into third, it just keeps going. It just wants to go. The fastest I've had it was top of third, and again, this goes up to 120, and it was pit.
Yeah. And like right now, what was the fastest we were going?
Again, that was touching like 80, 90.
Okay.
Give or take.
Like that.
And that was top of second. So I mean, it's pulling hard. There's not enough road, and again, the car is extremely stable at high speeds. There's just not enough road before it's not me driving. It's somebody else going, oh, I can pull out in front of that guy.
Oh man, well I ain't pulling out in front of you, dude.
No. Please don't.
My Mitsubishi. Man, well, dude, that was insane, dude.
Thank you,
insane, dude. Thank you for your time.
Of course.
Dude, I am flabbergasted, bro. Now I'm gonna go home and save up for one, and I'm gonna hire you guys and put it together.
Not a problem, sir.
All right, brother.
We'll
Thank you again, brother. Thank you. All right, everyone. Thank you to Nathan. Check out this video. Subscribe. And I'm gonna leave a link to the family's Volkswagen business. If you guys have a Volkswagen that needs some restoration, this is the team. Thanks, everyone. Thanks.
You want hood down?
No, you can have it up, dude. Yeah, I want it. Okay, we're not gone yet. I just want to show you guys the engine running one more time. Damn, boy, look at it shake. Oh my God. This is shaking, boy. Smells good. Okay. All right. Now we're out of here. Again, thanks, brother. Boom. That's the